Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Educational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is Museums are dying reservoir of art and culture. Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you visited a museum? Ladies and gentlemen, you are thinking right now for a few seconds or few minutes to answer this question, because the fact of the life is very rarely we go to such places. Very rarely in our life we go to museums, we go to such kind of ancient things. We spend our time in going to movies, we spend our time on internet, but very rarely we go to museum, we go to any art gallery. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ignoring crucial things in our life. Museums are really the reservoir of knowledge. Whenever you visit a museum, what it contains? It contains details related to ancient history, related to geography, related to great people who have fought for India's independence and many other things. We see great kings, great warriors, the details about them. If we are not concentrating on these things, we are degrading, ladies and gentlemen. We are degrading ourselves. This is a fact of life that today's kids, very rarely they go to museum. Very rarely they go to any art gallery. Very rarely they go to any famous library. Ladies and gentlemen, we are highly focused towards internet and online things. I am not saying that online things are bad and using app is bad or keeping yourself almost online is bad in any way. No, internet is the way of life and we must utilize internet in as many ways as we can. But by consistently associating ourselves with internet and online things, we are forgetting crucial things in life. We are forgetting museums. We are forgetting art galleries. Why we are forgetting them? We don't have flair for them. Ladies and gentlemen, just open up your eyes, see around you that there is so much to learn from these art galleries, from these museums. You go to any museum and you will find that large number of ancient things are placed over there. Along with that, you will find all the details about individual ancient things that are present in that museum. You go for 2 to 3 hours in a museum, you spend some time over there, and when you come out of that museum, you will realize yourself that you have gained a heavy knowledge. You will feel mentally satisfied that yes, today you learned something very crucial that will remain with you throughout your life. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, it is by request to all of you that along with doing all other things that you are doing, I am not saying that you don't be online, I am not saying that you stop doing what you are doing or what you love to do. Keep doing what you love to do, but please have a flair for museums, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a flair for art galleries. These can enhance your knowledge. These are dying here in India, ladies and gentlemen, because youth of India is consistently ignoring these things. Please don't let these things die. Please don't let these things die, ladies and gentlemen. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Twitter, BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.